Alright guys, this is my knife. It is an Old Hickory butcher knife that I've done what's called a Kephart mod. I shortened it about 2 inches and reshaped the profile, and then I used basically file and sandpaper to rebevel the edge here and sharpen it. It's sharp. I put a new handle on it. There's copper rivets, copper pins, and then I did what's called a combat wrap with jute twine, the hemp fiber that I glued and scorched, and it's a red oak handle. I brought it down right to the end of the tang so you can hammer on the end if you needed to, and I've already split some wood with it with a baton. So yeah, I did the patina with vinegar and also made this case. It's out of some pretty thick, probably 9-ounce leather. I hand stitched it, wrapped some paracord around it, and made a little sleeve here for a 6-inch ferro rod. So yeah, Kephart mod, Old Hickory butcher knife, cost $12.